Just a quick look around the marina, or not the marina, the flood. And then heading back home. They're the unforgettable houseboats over there, the maintenance shed and the laundry. The trees define the road, so once we cross over here, right, we're on the road. Okay. That's the maintenance wharf there, completely underwater. And I'll stop the video now because I'm now going to tie up. And I need two hands. Okay, here we go.